Today I'm making Shao Rou, Chinese braised pork belly. It's one of the most popular home-cooked dishes in China. It's rich, tender, and melt in your mouth. Let's cook. First, cut the pork belly into big chunks. Put them in cold water. Then add some ginger, green onion. Bring it to a boil and blanch the pork for about 3 minutes. Take them out and drain well. Now let's prepare the seasonings. We need salt, chicken powder, dark soy sauce, ginger, green onion, cinnamon, star anise, bay leaves, dry chili, and sugar. Time to cook. Add a little oil to a pot and pan-fry the pork to render out the excess fat. This step makes the dish less greasy. Look at all that fat. Remove it. When the pork turns light golden, take it out. Now let's make the caramel. Add sugar and a little water. Cook over high heat until it turns light yellow. Then reduce the heat to medium-low. This is a key to getting that beautiful color. When the color turns amber like this, add the pork. Be careful. If the sugar gets too dark, it will taste bitter. Once the pork is fully coated with caramel, add the spices and stir fry until fragrant. Pour in enough boiling water to fully cover the pork. Then add the rest of the seasonings. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 40 minutes. Time's up. Turn up the heat and reduce the sauce. Remove the spices and it's done. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and your braised pork belly is ready. Savory and slightly sweet, soft and melting in your mouth. Perfect for all ages. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.